Good morning, everyone. This is our female Harl, affectionately named Sunshine. Sometimes I think she's half cat. Very nicely marked, clean chest. Like everybody else, loves toes. She has a very Euro face, Euro build. She's not a slouch. She hangs tough with all the big boys. She is the same size as most of the boys. Still trying to get that tail. Tail or something. Hey. Hey, you. Psst, psst. Sunshine. There she is. Sunshine has blue eyes. She's got a little black spot on the side of her nose, and I've got to be ready to leave because I know how she is. What? What's up, Luger? She has tendencies to be an acrobat as well. What? This is one of her favorite playmates, Mr. Green. She also enjoys playing with Princess. Those are her favorite playmates. All the puppies here are exposed to our other Danes and to two poodles, two standard poodles. Trying to get a picture of all her sides. There you got her left side. It might be a minute before we get the right side. Well, maybe she'll sit up for us here. There's her right side. I personally like the more cleanly marked Harls. I don't like lots and lots of dots. I like just a very few well-placed dots. Enough so that I know that the puppy's not going to have hearing and visual issues, are healthy and doing fine. You can see on the inside right leg she's got markings. What a silly girl. What you doing? What you doing? Hi. Hi. What's up? What's up, little one? So this is Sunshine. And I can tell my toes are going to get chased, so I am going to let you go for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful, wonderful Great Dane day. Every one of ours is. Life couldn't get better.